Hello, welcome again. We are meeting again here. This is for not for scaling. We finished alpha and we finished scaling. Now we will go with rotate. We will go with rotate here. Rotate option. Rotate will be simple. Rotate will be a very simple one. From degree. From degree normally it will be 0 to and 2 degree it will be we will plus 90 for now. No, 3 we will give 360 degree, we will give 360 degree. Okay. The pivot we will give 50 pivot. This will be a good one, 50%, and pivot y also 50%. Oh, we are giving 50. No, we will give 0 first. Okay. Then you need to give the offset and with these directions. Okay, this will be from degree means from which degree you in protector. I think in 8th standard you have a protector. In protector you will see the 0 degree to 360 180 degree. You will again inverse the protector means you can see again that until the 360 degree. That is degrees. You can this is also a basic school max, so you don't want to confuse about anything. Just we will run this one and we will see. Yeah, it's open. Wait for the magic. See how it is starting from 0 to 0. It's rotating from. Okay, it's rotating 360 degree. Now you can rotate from the center, it will be good. This rotating is not good. You can rotate from the center, that will be very super good. See, yeah, it's opened. Yeah, just see. Wow, cool. This one is cool. Yeah. Superb. Now what you can do is again you can reverse the same. You can reverse the same. We already have the fade out animation. So what we need to do is scale out. Scale out animation. Scale out animation is nothing. The simple same scale. Scale out. You need to give the from scale from x from y scale to 1.0, from y x scale to 1.0, to y scale to 0.0, to x scale to 0.0, and the pivot will be 50-50. No, it's very good. Pivot will be 50-50. Yeah, this will be again rotate and it will be close the animation, but the duration will be very important, because as I say, for alpha we started after 1 second and the animation duration is 1 second, so we need to start after we need to start the close animation after 2 seconds, so we need to do after 2 seconds only. Okay. Yep. It's open. Just see, it's rotate and it scale and rotate and it scales. Cool. Now you can do another one thing. This is a scale and you can do the rotate as reverse. Rotate out, we are having the rotate in, and now we will go to rotate out. Rotate out the same similar thing. No, nothing. You don't want to change anything, just copy and paste. But you copy and paste is a simple one, but you need to understand each and everything, from degree, 2 degree, pivot, everything. If you have any confusion, just put in a comment box. We will discuss about everything detailing. Okay, but the seconds will be a very important. 2000 seconds and 360 to 0%. So we will run now. Yeah, come on. Oh wow, it's cool. This is a continuous animation. You can do like this. We are seeing the basic thing. Okay, rotate and translate. Rotate thing. Translate we will see in the next class. The set we will most of the things. Scale is finished. Rotate alpha. Translate is pending. Translate we will see in the next video. translate is also y from delta. Translate is nothing about it will be transferred from left to right, right to left, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top. It's the same thing. You can do everything literally. We will analyze this one later. Okay, but this is a cool anime. Just use this one. We will next. We will go with very deeper in animation in future videos. Just follow us for more.